Well, we're switching gears right now. If you're looking to become a better speaker, then you have got to go and visit this great event that Dale Carnegie has coming up. We have Miss Nancy Colvert here to tell us all about it, and they're partnering with the Birmingham Business Journal beginning in March. Thank you for coming back, Nancy.
It's good to see you again, Java.
It's good to see you always. Now, you guys have this special program that you are offering, and when you think about it, a lot of people are so fearful of public speaking, but it is so important. It doesn't matter if you have a job like this in communications, in all forms, in all careers, right?
Absolutely. Presentations are an element of every business role. And if you think about it, whether you're an engineer presenting your ideas to your team at work, you're updating a sales team on how they could be more effective in their sales skills, you're the CEO of a company, all of these roles revolve around presentations. And in fact, people are given promotions based on their presentation skills, even over their technical abilities. So it's a skill that needs to be developed. I hear too many times people say, oh, I'll just go wing it. I'm better when I wing it. And really, they're not.
They're not. And you have a seminar that's coming up that's going to break down some ways that people can improve their public speaking skills, correct?
Absolutely.
When is that happening?
We have a program that's March the 1st in partnership with the Birmingham Business Journal. We are the significant partner of the Birmingham Business Journal, offering training for them. And what we do is we have a program from 8:30 till 11, and this half-day program will give your team opportunities to practice structuring their presentation, identifying who's in the audience so they can tailor their presentation. We help them with working on Q&A sessions, how to put the right amount of information and not too much information into it, how to make that boring and dull subject sound exciting and fun.
Okay.
And so it's really everything that you need to know about giving a presentation.
So is it going to be one speaker that's talking, or several? And if there's someone who's a little bit nervous, are you going to be calling people out and having to do, you know, mini speeches, or no?
Yes. Mr. Carnegie believed that a person develops more when they're active in the process. And so we don't have people sitting around doing nothing. We get everyone engaged in the process. Now, obviously, with a large group in a short period of time, not everyone will get an opportunity, but we will get many people up in front so that they can sharpen their skills. But that's what they've paid to come for.
Absolutely.
So that's why we help them with that.
And that's how you learn and grow, right?
Absolutely.
Okay, so how much does it cost to be a part of this half-day seminar?
The half-day seminar is $99.
Okay.
We also have a full-day program. It's a 2-day program coming up on March 15th and 16th that if the people want to further develop their skills and really get some fine-tuning and coaching, we can help them. It's a much smaller setting, and we give feedback via video, so they get a chance to see themselves and then make improvements in their next presentation. So that's at our office here in Hoover.
Okay, awesome. So 2 opportunities for you all this month. And if there's someone at home, they're a business owner, they want to get their team involved, can they hire you to just come and speak in their office?
Oh, absolutely.
Okay.
We do many programs on site with organizations, part of their leadership development program, to help their people that need to be effective in front of a team do their job outstanding.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for coming on.
You're welcome.
I have to say, I was so fearful of public speaking growing up. I hated it. I didn't want to speak in front of the class. It's so wild that sometimes what you're most fearful of is what you were meant to do.
That's right.
And this is a great opportunity to stretch yourself and get outside of your comfort zone.
Absolutely.
And like you said, we all need it in our careers.
We sure do.
You want to give your website and info number one more time?
Yes, it's birmingham.dalecarnegie.com, or you can call us at 205-444-5011. We'd love to work with you.
Nancy, we really appreciate it, and good luck with those events.
Appreciate it, Java.
Don't go far. There's still much more talk of Alabama headed your way. You're watching ABC 3340 on this Tuesday.